I'm really hoping this thing doesn't catch on fire today.
Yo, what is going on, guys? Today, I'm super excited. Today, we are gonna be going on the first official drive in the Skyline GTR. So technically speaking, this isn't the first drive because in the last video, we kind of just went around the block and stuff like that. But today is going to be the first official drive.
Today's gonna be the first day we actually step on this thing and feel the horsepower it produces. Now, it is an RB26. You guys probably think it produces like 1,000 horsepower, right? Because every other GTR owner has that.
Well, not really this one. This one produces a whopping, you guys ready for this? A whopping 330 horsepower. This car is still in the stock fuel injector, so that's kind of holding it back.
Unfortunately, we're only pushing 330 horsepower, but this is the fastest car that I have ever owned. So I'm excited to see what 330 horsepower actually feels like. Since I've gotten this thing tuned, I haven't stepped on it, and today we're finally gonna step on it. Hopefully it doesn't catch on fire. Hopefully we don't break down. She's leaking a little bit of oil, but then again, what 90s Nissan doesn't leak a little bit of oil? Let's just hope that this thing doesn't blow up on us. Right now, Amanda is working on swapping out my steering wheel. Amanda got this steering wheel for her car a few days ago, and I absolutely fell in love with it. And then she went ahead and got me the same exact steering wheel. Like, it's so awesome. This is the leather flat steering wheel. This is the Alcantara deep dish steering wheel. Like, the leather so much better and the flat just looks so much cooler. I'm actually really hyped on this thing because this thing is gonna look sick. Even though it's super illegal to be driving without a hood, today we're just gonna have to take that risk because if the car catches on fire, then your boy has to know so I could put out the fire before it burns the whole car down. So hood's gonna stay at home. Hopefully we don't get a ticket.
Oil is good, coolant is good.
Oh my god, that's so good.
Yo, that sounds so good. Wait a second. Oh, I love this car so much. I hated this car for a minute, but just listen to that. Oh, I just left a cloud of smoke behind us. Oops. Alright, I don't see that much smoke anymore, but let's pull over and see the smoke. Everything's still good. AFRs are still good. So like, let's see.
I think it's going from all the way in there.
Yeah, there is smoke coming from down there, which I don't know where it's coming from.
It smells nasty.
I can't even tell what it smells like. It doesn't smell like coolant, but like...
It doesn't smell like oil though.
I don't know how well you guys are gonna be able to see it, but you guys see that? It's a little bit of fluid, and I think that's coolant. So I think coolant's either dripping from this line or either this line. Probably just need to secure it more. We'll see. Let me check the oil right now. I thought we'd get a little bit further than that. Not gonna lie. It's nothing major. Let's go ahead. Send it one time. Ready? All right. I'm leaving a cloud of smoke, but holy shit! I barely even stepped on it, but oh man, that's a lot of smoke. Oh yo, she's turbo's still smoking. Wait, what?
Does not look good.
What? That wasn't for me. Yeah, that's not for me. That would have been bad though. Oh, okay, that is it's a little bit more oil than it was before. Ah man, why you gotta look so good but act like a bitch? Oh man, it is smoking a lot. All right, so it's like blue smoke, so it's definitely oil. I think I sent her a little too hard, bud. Made it back home and she hasn't blown up yet. She do be stinky though. Amanda and I have been talking about going on a cruise once this car is done for like the longest time now. So today we're finally gonna do it. We're probably just gonna go get like a monster and just kind of just cruise together. We're not gonna beat on the car or anything. Every time I beat on the car and go into high RPMs, then it starts smoking. So as long as I just kind of keep it under 4,000 RPM, I should be good to go. We're not gonna go too far, but I'm super excited. The only person more excited than me is Amanda. She has been wanting to go on a cruise for the longest time. You're good. She's still kind of new to driving low cars, so I have to teach her how to angle. Keep dancing with the devil, baby, there's a lot of Made it to our first little spot. Now I didn't want to go too far. I definitely do want to cruise a little bit more, but I wanted to kind of give the car a break. I don't want it to heat up too much. I wanted to just stop, check the oil, make sure everything is okay.
Damn, that looks so good.
All right, you know what? I think let's add a little bit. We're still good, but let's just add a little bit, just to be safe.
Oh my God, why is this so tight? Bro, let me know. Oh, God damn, I'm giving it all my juice. All right, you ready to go to spot number 2?
Yep.
All right, let's go. Yo, how about I hop in your car and you hop in mine? Once my car's fixed. We'll do that once my car's fixed. You can't do that right now. I wish. Yo, take it easy, damn. Amanda is ripping it behind me, bro. You can rev, I can't. Alright, let's just... I don't even know if you guys can hear that or not. It just sounds so crazy. I don't see any smoke, but I didn't beat on the car, so that's a good thing.
We're about to shoot a little video for TikTok. If you guys don't follow us on TikTok, I'm gonna put it up on the screen. Go follow us on TikTok. We're hopping on one of the trends on TikTok, and she said that I got no hops. So, you guys be the judge of that. Put your head on my shoulder. I know there's a lot of people out there that don't like TikTok, but I don't know, making TikToks is kind of fun.
Oh, baby. Damn, yo, she actually kind of looks good from this angle. Like, just a little bit. You know what I mean?
If the Cosmos weren't sanded, maybe.
Yeah. At moments like this, I kind of wish I still had my drone because, like, shots on this bridge with the drone are, like, just sick. We finally got the cruise that we always wanted. We've been talking about cruising for, like, the longest time.
Together, not behind you, you know what I mean?
Oh, yeah, but we needed the highway for that, and I really can't go on the highway yet. We didn't finish the cruise, though. To finish the cruise, we have to get some Monsties.
Definitely.
We'll stop at Wawa and get some Monsties, but I'm so souped that this thing is actually running again. Like, oh, and the 350, bro? Come on, guys, like, peep. Yeah, the 350 looks sick in my rear view mirror. Look at this, dude. About 10 months in the making. This car has been down for almost 10 months now, and it's finally back on the road. We're gonna get some pictures on the bridge for the gram. I am so hyped that this thing is running again. Whew. It's such a relief having this thing actually run. Now, this car isn't 100% done, obviously. Cosmetically, this is not up to my standards. You guys know this. We have a lot of things for this car, but before I go ahead and start installing some of the stuff that I have for this car, I want to figure out the oil leak situation. I have absolutely no idea where the oil leak is coming from. We got the UV tester. It's at my house. I'm probably not going to do it tomorrow. I have no energy to work on this car right now, so I'm probably going to give it a few days and then use the UV leak tester to figure out where the oil leak is coming from. And once we have the oil leak figured out, then we'll go out and actually race Amanda. Amanda's talking trash, saying that I have an RB26 that doesn't push over 500 horsepower, so we're gonna race her and we're gonna dust her. Hopefully, if my car doesn't blow. That's pretty much it though. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are excited that this car's back on the road because there's gonna be a lot of videos with this car coming up in the future. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace.